Today we're here with the 2025 Toyota GR86, and this is the Hakone edition. The giveaway, this is green paint and the bronze wheels. This is going to be one of the top trims that you can get on this model. It's got a special badge on the back, but this isn't about the information. We do have an exhaust pipe that's upgraded on here too from the factory, but this is going to be a sunset drive. As you can see, the sun is setting. Duh. So let's hop on in and take it for a spin. Six-speed manual as it's intended. These cars get a little bit tail happy, but I'm not going to demonstrate because this ain't my car. Gotta respect the drive. Shout out to Tedward. These GR86s and BRZs are a ton of fun. Just very inexpensive as well. This car is about 40 grand. They start off around $34,000 these days. And I think it's one of the best sports car values on the market. But at any price, it's just a ton of fun. No matter, it's cheap, that's a plus, but it's just fun. No way to slice that. And I'm a Miata owner, and you see me out here making extra videos just because I enjoy driving cars like these, especially this car so much. I am a previous owner of a Scion FRS, which was the first generation, which launched in 2013. So enjoyed that car. Had a problem with it. There's a video on it on my channel. But this one is revised. Got the 2.4 liter engine, 228 horsepower. Now, red line is 7,400 RPM. And it's torquey. So these cars are not slow. I guess they moved the bar on what slow is and what's not. It's not slow to me. People are thinking like cars that go 0 to 60 in 4 seconds are slow. This doesn't even do that. It's more like 5.5 seconds. It's not slow to me, and you can enjoy it at lower speeds, which I enjoy a whole lot. Gonna take it on my curvy road here in Michigan, which is not a lot of curves, but utilize these arm ramps. Oh, hit that red line. That thing stopped abruptly when I hit the red line. It was no extra give whatsoever. But this car pulls, it's got torque. And that's surprising. Like, it is, you don't have to rev it out to get all the power. Very quick, nice power. Power band is wide. It's gonna fall off a little bit at the top, but we'll experience that again soon. It does have a sport mode, which I'm not in, which is gonna turn off traction control. This car is easy to slide. This ain't my car, like I said, gotta respect it. So you can slide very easily. Shout out to the Sofer, he let me drive his BRZ when he had it. And I was going at low speeds, and this is a great car to learn how to drift in. That was actually one of the points of the car being created, is to learn how to drift. It's very approachable, and it's got enough power to break its own traction. It doesn't have sticky tires as a stock form. Some people will upgrade those. I like it as is in stock mode. I like the playfulness of it. The chassis is tight on here too. This is going to be tighter than the BRZ. BRZ is soft. It will make a more comfortable daily driver, but I like the firmness. It's not even firm. Like my WRX TR is more firm than this, a lot more firm than this. This is great. They dialed it in. Great chassis, playful. Steering on here is light, but it is communicative. Clutch pedal. At low speeds, I'm having issues taking off. No, I'm not going to say issues, that's the wrong word, but I'm not smooth with it in this vehicle because the throttle response is instantaneous, and they revised it for the Hakone edition. I don't know exactly what they did, but even in the premium trim, it is a very touchy throttle application. The instant you hit it, you're gonna go, and that makes for some, it can be not smooth at times. Let's see what this shifter's like. really good shifter in here. My shoe got stuck to the carpet. Wrong driving shoes. But you can carry the weight around the turns in here. It remains virtually flat. Very minimal roll in here. That's a playful car. Not going to downshift because it's coming to a red light. Taking off, you gotta add a little bit of throttle to it. It's not going to be that smooth if you drive it very slow. I'm about to drive very slow because I'm about to get back on this highway. Maybe I lied. This exhaust sounds good too with that upgraded exhaust from the factory. It's a great car to take on some curvy roads. Power out the turns. Whoever said this car is slow is crazy. But slow is relative. I'm not here to disagree. My standards, no, it's not slow. Very fun car. It's not too many cars. It's more fun than this GR86. I would personally buy one of these had I not chosen my Miata. It's a coin toss. They're both very well at what they do. This being the more practical choice, as it does have back seats. What are we stopping for? Check out the power to pass, which I'm not about to pass anyone, but 4,000 RPM. It'll get up. But let me go ahead and drop it here. Yeah, that 5,000 RPM is where it's at. That one put me back a little bit. Taking me aback. Way back. Gonna drop another gear again. I like that the RPM, the red line is so high. Man, that red line is just poof, instant cut off. Protect the engine, I guess. Everybody want to get on over. Let me get on over this one. Second gear pull is strong. And no slouch by any means. Enjoyable at all speeds as well. That's what I like the most about this car. Don't gotta be breaking the law to have fun. Uh-oh, getting a little bit droney with the exhaust. That stopped. I don't know. That was the first time I experienced that. Alright, that was a smooth takeoff. Bad on gas either. I'm averaging 24.7 during my weekly commute. I'll talk more about the details in the full review. This is just me wanting to come out and enjoy a very good car. Engineering excellence. Even hear some burbles too in the exhaust. Very subtle, but I like it. It's a great looking car too. They did their thing designing it. Entering the highway again, because that's where all the curves at, man. Let them go on ahead. I like the size of the steering wheel too. It's on the smaller side. Gotta love it. Very lively chassis, man. Not sure what they're getting over. Solid lines. Somebody got me in the last video of me driving over the solid lines. But they did the same thing to not pass anyone. Not sure what the whole point of that is. Oh well. Got the need for speed, about to get over again and not pass anyone else. Okay, I guess I am the slow one as I get passed by a G80 M3. Like those a lot too. Ugly front nose. about 3,000 RPM. 6th gear, when you hit on it, just a little bit, the slightest of drone up in there. But I'm gonna wrap up this drive. I just want to share this experience of getting my feet wet in this GR86 before I do a full-blown review. Just a fun car. I just had to come up with an excuse to get on up out here, and it was a fun time. So that's all I'm gonna have to say about that, or this GR86. Fine car, remarkable excellency with engineering, and it's just an amazing value. So you all remember to drive safe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.